As the Indian government is busy battling coronavirus outbreak, a number of citizens and organizations too are not behind in extending their support to the needy people who are worst affected by this pandemic, be it through distributing essential items, study material or oxygen cylinders. People have been contributing their bit without making any discrimination on the basis of caste and community. So let's take a look at few such examples.
A couple, Migza and Fayaz Sheikh, who run a small-scale school at Mumbai's Malad area, waived off the fees of the students when they found that their parents could not afford to pay the fees amid the lockdown. But they did not just stop here. When they got to know that the people living in the area could barely afford 2 square meals a day, they decided to donate rations to them. 4 months down the line, the couple has spent around 4 lakh rupees from their personal savings and distributed food items to about 1,500 people, no matter which caste or community they belong to.
When lockdown started, after 4-5 days, they started calling us, the students, the parents, because they found some hope in me. They must be thinking that I can help them out. So then when they started, we both came, my husband and myself, to see what is happening over here, because we were also scared of the COVID, so we were not stepping out. But when they started calling us, we thought we should visit this area. So when we visited here, their condition was very worse. So at that time we approached many NGOs. They started giving us support in the form of khichdi also. Then we started continuing distribution of khichdi for 2 months. Daily 2 months we were distributing khichdi to community. Not just parents, just a whole community over here. That lockdown extended, we all know that extended for 4 months. So that time we both sat and decided that we can't keep money in our account and let them suffer with hunger. So that time we decided to dilute that money to these people and distribute ration.
Meanwhile, a specially able person in Rameswaram town of Tamil Nadu is providing door-to-door service of distributing Kapusura Kudinir among the people. It is an herbal concoction comprising dry ingredients of ginger, pipali, clove, muli root, karukai, ajwain and many other herbs. The ingredients are powdered and mixed with water, then boiled to make a decoction of 1/4 of its initial volume. As it has proved effective in managing COVID-19 cases, Dina started serving it to the general public.
நான் கடந்த ஒரு 15 நாட்களாக இந்த கபசுர குடிநீர் நானே வீட்டில் தயார் பண்ணி இந்த பகுதியில் இருக்கிற மக்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் நான் இலவசமாக கொண்டு போய் அவங்க வீட்டில் குழந்தைகள், பெரியவங்க, பெண்கள், முதியோர்கள் இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாருக்குமே இதை கொடுத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். நான் ஒரு மாற்றுத்திறனாளியாக இருந்தாலும் இந்த சமூகத்துக்கு ஒரு பெரிய மாற்றத்தை கொண்டு வரணும், எல்லார் மத்தியிலையும் இந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு பண்பை உருவாக்கணும் அப்படின்ற நோக்கத்தில் நான் கடந்த ஒரு 10-15 நாளாக இதை செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். தொடர்ந்து இதை நான் செய்வேன் இந்த காரியங்களை. இது போக இந்த பகுதியில் இருக்கிற எல்லா மக்களுக்கும், அதாவது இந்த மாவட்டம் முழுவதும் இந்த கபசுர குடிநீரை கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்றது என்னுடைய நோக்கம். அது நிச்சயமாக நிறைவேறும் என்று நான் நம்புகிறேன்.
At present, when the whole country is reeling due to coronavirus, in such a situation, it's people like Migza and Dina who are coming forward and extending the support in the fight against the pandemic.